people, welcome back to this channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this space for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing the bell icon, because I have been posting on every alternate day and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on a lot of amazing content. So make sure you switch on that bell icon so that you can get notification every time I post. By the way, if you guys are not following me on Instagram account, please do go and follow me over there. I'm going to come up with a giveaway very soon. This video, as you guys can see, I definitely wanted to do a Myntra haul because as you know that the Independence Day sale is going on right now. It is till the 12th of August, and even if you're seeing this afterwards, you don't have to worry about it because all of the pieces are pretty affordable. And now moving on to the video, I have 3 pieces of beautiful dresses, including this one, and also 2 bottoms. So I'm very excited to show you. So let me just get into the video straight away with telling you about this very pretty dress that you see over here. This is from the brand called Meloso. Meloso is something that I recently found out on Myntra, and this one is actually polyester material stuff that you see over here, and this has very nice elastic over here in the sleeve portion. You can see this blue color bobby print polka dot style in this white color dress, and obviously the frills in the neckline is like everything. It's just so damn cute and so damn pretty. It's slightly more above the knees, and I think so I've got this one in the size medium. If I get it in the size large, then it might do justice to the whole silhouette of this dress. Is so pretty. I got this one for rupees 699. Just the one thing is that it's sort of like seen through, so you can nicely put in a nude color tank inside or a white color tank inside. It will do suffice. The next dress that I have is again from this brand Meloso itself, and this is also a very pretty cute kind of vibe going on. And you see that this is actually the dress. This is in the black and peach color. You have nice floral print all over with the red and peach color that you see over here. This is sort of an A-line sort of dress from downwards, and from here you can see you have this nice sweetheart kind of neckline over here, very pretty. You also have this nice cute buttons over here. This is sort of like a feature only. You can't actually use this button to open up or something like that. I got this one in the size medium itself, but I feel like if you go one size up, it will be a little bit more comfortable. The fit of this one is absolutely amazing, but if you go one size up, it will give you a little bit room to more space and more comfort. Elastic in between, which actually makes you look like there are 3 puffs in a row, sort of a thing that looks very cute. Yeah, this material is polyester, and I got this one for 699 again. I love the fit of it, and the best thing is that it also comes with a zip from the side, so it's very comfortable to wear and take it on and all. Next up, let me show you one of the joggers that I've got. This is the bottom wear, and I love this one. I love dyes going on, and this one is in this very nice combination of this purple, pink and white. This is so pretty. I got this one from Kool & Keish. Kool & Keish collection is always very good, and this one is absolutely so pretty, and I love, I had my eye on this from quite some time. I had this one in my wish list, and you have very nice sort of cuff over here, and then you have 2 pockets over here. You also have this drawstring stuff that you can use, and nice thick elastic. The elastic is pretty broad. This one is sort of like a cotton material, and I got this one for only 479 rupees, which is a very good price for joggers, because joggers are something that you use so freaking often. Got this one in the size medium, and it's completely true to size. You should get your own size. Darling, Peach, but this one is from their Disney collection. Yes, I am very very happy when I hear the word Disney. It just sort of gives me like, I don't know, it makes me very curious and makes me feel very very cute. So this is the one dress. This is actually a t-shirt dress that you see over here. This is of the cotton material, and you have this nice embroidered thing over here which says Mickey Mouse, and also kind of like this is the like embroidered, and these are like sort of threads that are like dangling like this, which looks like quite cute to me. And then you have this very nice style of sleeves. I love the sleeves. The sleeves literally end in the elbows, right near the elbows, and it looks very nice. The detailing of the sleeve is so cool. Like this has this cotton material, and then you have this net sort of thing going on, which is also like very different from what we usually see. This one in my size medium, it's completely true to size. You should definitely get your own size. And this one also rupees 449 rupees only. Like 450 is not much for this sort of like material, is very good. One is so damn cute. Like, come on, yeah. Sort of floral print which has like blue kind of blossoming flowers in this mustard yellow color. This mustard yellow color, like it's such a statement skirt. Like wow, you could like pair up a very nice normal black or white tank on top of this. Like white tank would go very nicely with this one. I need to go for an actual waist size in this one, because this is actually waist size 30. I thought that it can be a little bit like not fitting me properly. That's why I got one size up, but don't do that. Get your own size, because this is sort of high waist, so it literally comes around your navel. So check your measurement around the navel if you want to get the size for this skirt. And this skirt is sort of like a A-line skirt, and it actually comes below the knees. This material is actually polyester, and I got this one for rupees 400 only, like only 400 rupees. And the color options, you wanna be crazy. Like there is green color, blue color, and also pink color. Like all sorts of colors are there, like very very summery and bright nice colors. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked this video. I completely enjoyed all of these pieces. Are very like the quality of all of them is very nice. Like me, Myntra is always my like favorite where to like I trust Myntra a lot in terms of quality and all of that. So you know what you have to get, and all of the links are gonna be down below. So click the links and get whatever you want to get. And until next time, I'll see you. And not forget to give your suggestions in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in the next video.